Welcome to the Math Zen. Today we'll solve an Australian Olympiad math problem step by step. To find the value of x in the equation, square root of x plus 2 plus square root of x minus 2 equals 4. Let's break this down. First, we'll isolate one of the square roots. Move the square root of x minus 2 to the right side. Now we have square root of x plus 2 equals 4 minus the square root of x minus 2. To eliminate one square root, we'll square both sides of the equation. Remember, when we square a binomial, we get a perfect square trinomial. Simplify the right side, and we're left with x plus 2 equals 16 minus 8 times the square root of x minus 2 plus x minus 2. Now, let's simplify. The x terms cancel out on the right side, and we can combine like terms. We're left with 2 equals 14 minus 8 times square root of x minus 2. To isolate the remaining square root, subtract 14 from both sides and divide by negative 8. After simplification, we get the square root of x minus 2 equals 3 halves. To eliminate the final square root, we square both sides once more. The left side becomes x minus 2, and the right side becomes 9/4. Now we can solve for x. Add 2 to both sides, then simplify the fraction. We find that x equals 17 over 4. We have it. The value of x equals 17 over 4. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button.